Hi guys, I'm Jason Singh and welcome to another video unboxing and overview from Blackwell Tech. So this is the TP-Link MR Archer 200 and TP-Link has just launched this product and it was sent to me immediately, so thank you TP-Link for that. So we'll be doing an unboxing and overview. Now the Archer MR 200 resembles an old router which we had reviewed before, that was the D20 AC750. And the only difference between the two is that this one has 4G LTE support. It has a via SIM slot at the back of the router, whereas the previous AC750, or rather it's a different model altogether, but it looks exactly the same. We actually have that here with us. So if you can see the TP-Link engraving over here, it's practically the same. You'll notice when I'll open up and open up the box and show you the contents. So here we go. Now we have the router right here, as you can see. We'll be coming back to this. And just a few other guides, such as we have the installation guide, which is very good. I've actually opened it and had a look through stuff, and the quick installation guide was very informative. I would definitely advise you to read this. You know, it really helps you in get things set up and helps you to get a better understanding of the settings in your router. And here we have the technical support. Now the technical support is basically what? The technical support over here is going to give you the different phone numbers of the customer care where you can contact them, you know, if you reside in different parts of the world. Now this is your normal LAN cable which they provide with every other router. Now what I liked was that they actually TP-Link has thought of everything. I mean, they've even included these holders here so that you can put your SIM in, because most of our phones nowadays support either a micro SIM or a nano SIM, so all of our SIMs are cut, right? So here you can easily use this holder and insert the SIM into your TP-Link router. It comes with 4G LTE integrated wide range antennas. These are detachable antennas, as you can see. We'll be attaching them right now. Go. So it's very easy to put on and can be easily removed and cleaned if there's any dust, because this router, what happens is that okay, yeah, so we'll be taking this off. And now while it looks amazingly good, the only thing about it is a kind of a fingerprint magnet, and it attracts a lot of dust. It's a very fairly reflective surface, but we really like it a lot. I mean, this classy black kind of look is really nice. So we do appreciate it, and you have the engraving of TP-Link over here. Now we'll be coming to the back where we'll be explaining to you the different slots. We have a LAN combined with a WAN slot over here where you can put your Ethernet cable into, and then the rest are LAN slots. Now apart from the reset button, the WPS and the power on and off button, we also have the SIM slot over here. This is for your 4G LTE support. Now what happens is that all you need to do is you need to plug in your power adapter, which is over here. This is the power adapter which you get with every other Wi-Fi router, and you just plug this in to the Wi-Fi router so that it gets power, and you put in your SIM card. That's all you need. So we, as of now, we really like this router. The first impression of it is very good. I mean, the look of it is really cool, and what happens is what we really like in this router is that it's not just a normal router. I mean, it's not a standalone router. They've added 4G LTE support into this, which is by the way, it's kind of a new technology right now, and most of our phones, I mean almost all smartphones nowadays have 4G support. So you're definitely going to have a 4G enabled SIM, and you're probably doing recharges on your 4G for your 4G recharges on your SIM. So you can easily just place it in over here, and you now be able to share it with a number of other devices. Now this is a dual band router. It has a 2.4 gigahertz band which gives speeds of up to 300 Mbps, and it has a 5 gigahertz band which gives speeds up to 433 Mbps. Now what about the limitation on the speed of the 4G? It's over here it'd be limited to 150 Mbps, but by the way, that's really fast actually. So we don't see that we should be having any problems. And we like the detachable antennas. These are wide range antennas, so this will probably do for your entire house. Probably even if you live, if you've got a bungalow, you're living on the second floor, you'll probably definitely still get, you know, a Wi-Fi connection. So we really like this router, and this is just a normal video unboxing of it. We will be having a closer look at it, where we will be actually testing the speed, the sustained speed over 4G, as well as through our LAN on our computer, on a laptop, as well as on our mobile devices such as Android phones and tablets. We'll be checking to see where this router can actually sustain the speeds mentioned. And this is currently priced at around 8,000 to 9,000 rupees, depending upon the e-commerce site that you purchase it from. Now it is a fairly bit expensive, but I think the expense is shared between you know, it being a dual band router, as well as the fact that it has integrated 4G support. And so we think that TP-Link is really taking this further, and we really believe that most routers now should come with this 4G LTE support. So we'll definitely be putting a link to the in-depth review down below. So please like, comment, and subscribe. We really need your support. So once again, thank you so much.